Hello everyone, this is me Chandrasekhar. Some from today onwards we are discussing on the mountain and mountain range, mountain peaks and ranges. So in this we are discussing important mountain ranges in India. So and their highest peak. So what are the highest peaks which will come down all over the India? We know already that in the Nepal that is the highest peak in the world, Mount Everest. So like that in the on that mountain range. So which peak is highest? Especially we are concentrating in this video on the Indian mountain ranges and their peaks. Okay. So let's start it by one. So first I will move from the northern part to the south. Okay. So as we know, so in the northern part we will covered by the Himalayas. Okay. So after that one, here is Western Ghats. So as we all know, okay. So in the western parts of the Indian coast is Western Ghats is there. Here Aravalli, okay, the oldest mountain ranges from the Precambrian period also. Okay, so here is Vindhyas Satpura range. So here Purvanchal, Arakamata, here they will comes under the Myanmar. So we will discuss it in the world mountain ranges and their highest peak. Okay, so let it to be here itself. So here Eastern Ghats are there. We all know that Eastern Ghats comes here. Okay, so they are half divided. That means they are not continue. They are in the interpreted in manner. That means they are cutted. So if I show them in diagram, they will look like this. Like so, this kind of the pattern they have followed. Okay. So after that one we will discuss some important mountain ranges in the states and their highest peak. So if I give an example of Mahadeva Hills in Gujarat, we will come to know about the Mahadeva Hills, right? So sorry, Madhava Hills. Okay. So in the Madhava Hills, there are Madhava Hills. We will look up the Gir range. Okay. So like GIR Gir range in that highest peak. Okay. So in the state also we will look out the mountain ranges and their highest peak. So in this video we will cover completely about the mountains and their highest peak. Okay. So after watching this video you will no need to watch any another video. So that in that way we are covering everything in this video. Okay. So let's move on one by one. So I will start from Himalayan part. So this is a Himalayan part. So as we all know, okay, so if you consider it as in trans Himalayan, so Great Himalayan comes here. Okay, so Great Himalayan part will comes here. After that one, Middle Himalaya will be there, Shivalika Beta. Okay, that means we will call it as Shivalika Hills or foothills. Okay, so this kind of the patterns Himalayas have. So we will see one by one and their mountain ranges, important mountain ranges and their highest peak. So if you start from Ladakh, okay, so we know after 370 abrogation Jammu Kashmir is divided into Jammu and Ladakh. So if we came to the Ladakh part, so इसमें से हमको कुछ अच्छा से देखने को मिलता है क्या क्या है तो ये तो जम्मू कश्मीर का पार्ट दैट मीन्स वी हैव हियर जम्मू कश्मीर पार्ट ओके सो विच इज autonomous body which was unofficially managed or organized by the Pakistan. So and if you look at the here, this part is ceded to the China by Pakistan. Okay, so and this is Akshay China. This is all not needed in this video, but we have to be aware about the this areas because if you are studying mountain ranges, we must know that there we are lying. Okay, so if you start with them ranges, here some of the important ranges will occur. They are first one is Karakoram range. Okay, so first one is Karakoram range. Here Karakoram range will occur. Okay, so after that one, if we go below up to the end of the Karakoram range, we will come across with the Ladakh range here somewhere. So after that one, Jaskar range will be here. This is Ladakh range. Okay, so this is Jaskar range. So we will see some Jaskar range some here also. So we can write Jaskar like this also. This is Karakoram range. Okay, so we all know about the simple things. So after that one we will discuss highest peaks here, which one will comes here. First we will look at the ranges. So after that one we will come to here. Okay, so here there is no much important range, but something which is lies here like a range. So here after that one we will look at the Kailas, right? कैलाश माउंटेन रेंजेस. सो कैलाश माउंटेन रेंजेस के बारे में इधर भी पढ़ते हैं हम लोग. सो यू कैन लुक एट दैट वन. सो आफ्टर दैट वन यू नो पूर्वांचल here comes here. Okay, so we will look at out later. First we will look at the highest peaks here. So first one is Gasherbrum. Okay, that is Gasherbrum comes here. Okay, so after the Gasherbrum, let me take black color. So after the Gasherbrum, so another one comes here, that is we will call Nanga Parvat. What? Nanga Parvat. Okay, so after that one Nanga Parvat, somewhere here Kamet will come in the name of Kamet. Okay, so here Nanda Devi. So after that one Trishul. So here Nanda Devi. In the name of Nanda Devi. So as we move on, so अब आगे बढ़े तो और थोड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट इधर इधर इस तरफ से आते हैं. कोई धौलाधर माउंटेन पीक आता है इधर इस तरफ से. सो आफ्टर दैट वन इधर अन्नपूर्णा माउंटेन. ओके, सो आफ्टर अन्नपूर्णा माउंटेन मनाशु एक, दैट मीन्स लाइक दिस मानशु ये नेम है उसका, ये माउंटेन पीक का. ओके, सो नेम आप इस तरफ से भी रिमेंबर कर सकते हैं. लेट मी टेल फर्स्ट कंप्लीट द माउंटेन पिक्स. आफ्टर दैट वन आपको मैं बताऊंगा क्या करना है, इसमें कैसे याद करना है. ठीक है, सो मानसू. आफ्टर दैट वन so we will come to know here is Kanchenjunga, you know that one. Here somewhere it will lies that Mount Everest. Okay, so Mount Everest. So Maklo peak. Okay, so these are the important things which we will know. So you can remember like that in the name of dam. Okay, so I missed out one more peak here. Okay, so before after Mount Everest, here something peak is comes here. Okay, so in the name of GA Gauri Shankar. Okay, it's a Gauri Shankar. So Gauri Shankar mountain range somewhere comes here. सो इसके बाद आपको इधर कांचनजुंगा इंडिया पे आता है. ओके, सो आपको याद रहेगा होगा क्योंकि वो वर्ल्ड यूनेस्को साइट है. हाईएस्ट माउंटेन इंडिया में हाईएस्ट माउंटेन पीक है, नेशनल पार्क है, वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी है. ज़्यादा तरफ से आपको पढ़ने के मिलने से आपको अच्छे से याद हो जाएगा कांचनजुंगा इन सिक्किम. ओके, सो आपको इस तरफ से देखना है तो माउंटेन रेंजेस पे इधर आपको सो अब्रो मेरिली. ओके, सो अब्रो मेरिली, here somewhere also Minsi. Okay, so Minsi, these are all the peaks, hills. Okay, so these are all our hills which comes here in the Purvanchal Pradesh. So दिब्रू छावा आता एक माउंटेन पीक आता है इस तरफ से. ओके, सो दिब्रू छावा एक माउंटेन पीक आता है. सो ओके, वो भी इम्पोर्टेंट हो, please remember that one. So after that one you will know Patkai Booms hill peak comes here. So after Patkai Booms आपको इधर देखने को मिलेगा नागा हिल्स. ओके, मणि हिल्स, मिजोरम हिल्स, त्रिपुरा हिल्स. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? त्रिपुरा हिल्स में आपको जंपलिंग बोलता है. ओके, सो इसको जंपलिंग बोलते हैं. सो इसमें हाईएस्ट पीक है बैटलिंग चिप. ओके, बैटलिंग चिप याद रखना ऐसे तरफ से नाम ही आपको एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं, क्योंकि आप कोई भी अवेयर हो नहीं होते इसके बारे में तो ऐसे पिक करके ऑप्शन पे डाल देते हैं, ठीक है। सो इसके बारे में थोड़ा याद रख के आगे बढ़िए। सो मिजोरम के आपको मिजो हिल्स में आपको हाईएस्ट पीक कौन सा होगा ये भी बता देता हूँ। सो मिजो हिल्स में आपको हाईएस्ट पीक ये रहेगा, ब्लू माउंटेन एक तरफ से आएगा, ओके। सो ब्लू माउंट, इसको जावा पोगोट नाम से भी जानते हैं, जावा पोगोट नाम। सो इट्स कॉल्ड बाय अनदर नेम इज कॉल्ड जावा पोगोट नाम और ब्लू माउंटेन, okay. So after that one in Manipur hills you will come across with an Mount Iso. This is the highest peak in Manipur. So if you look at the highest peak in Naga hills, that is Mount Saramati. Mount Saramati. So Mount Saramati is the highest peak in Naga hills. So after you know here somewhere it's Patkai boom will come. So highest mountain peak of Arunachal Pradesh is somewhere here, okay. So Yangthing, like in the name of Yangthi. So this is the name of that peak which is highest peak in Arunachal Pradesh. So if you come over here in Assam, Michael hills will comes here. Another one important is Garo Kashi Jayanti. So we know that highest rainfall area which is comes here in the Khasi hills of the eastern side of the Khasi hill, okay. So highest peak of Meghalaya is Shillong. Shillong is the highest peak of Meghalaya. So some suppression will comes here, that is called Malpa suppression. That means Meghalaya part is a part of the Meghalaya plateau is a part of peninsula in India, but it is separate with the Malpa, okay, Malpa break, either we can call it as a fault. So this is all about the northern and northeastern part. So we have some more ranges and peaks here, okay. So after that one we will come with the Pir Panjal range, okay. So after Pir Panjal range we have here Dauladhar range, Dauladhar and Mussoorie range, which IAS and IPS officers will be trained here. So after that one, so we have another one that is called Naga Tibba, okay. So Naga Tibba here. So after that one, so we have some more peaks which are important, that is called Bandar Pooch. So this is where Yamunotri gets birth, okay. So after that one, source of the Yamunotri almost comes here, okay. So after that one some more peaks will comes here, like Kedarnath, okay. So Badrinath, so these are comes here, okay. These are also important क्योंकि इधर बद्रीनाथ से ही हमारा क्या निकलता है, बद्रीनाथ से हमारा मतलब means our Mandakini, like that kind of the which make the क्या Prayag, which makes Prayag, they will come with the sources of from the like which from here places also, okay. So these are the important in northern place. So remaining things we will look at it after the video, because this if you make complete video in one thing, this is going to be very lengthy. So okay, so thanks for watching, bye.